Fino Bank Login. How to log in, sign in Fino Payment Bank account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to log in to Fino Bank Payment account, open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for www.finobank.com/login. You'll be led to the official login page of Fino Bank. Here, go ahead and enter your login credentials, that is, your email ID and your password. If you want the device to remember your login details, you can select the Remember checkbox. Now tap on the Sign In option in order to sign in to Fino Payment Bank account. Also, just in case if you have forgotten your password, then you can always go ahead and tap on the Forgot Password option and recover your password. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.